I'm Omneya. I'm one of the founders of Koala Picks. We started Koala Picks back in October 2019. Snacks and products contain no refined sugar, no artificial ingredients, and absolutely no preservatives. We only use all natural ingredients. We have a wide range of different products suitable for everyone.
I'm Aya Asif. I'm one of the founders of Koala Picks. We started Koala Picks almost 2.5 years ago. We couldn't find any healthy snacks for our kids. But every time we went to the supermarket, we found a lot of snacks who have excessive amounts of sugar, preservatives, or ingredients we couldn't even read. We refused to give those to our kids because we knew how much it would negatively impact their health. So we decided to launch a brand that makes healthy snacks for kids. We started selling on our own website to start expanding beyond our own website, but also go into retail, like play areas. Now we're in more than 20 branches of play areas. We have labeling requirements. However, the problem is that regular suppliers, they don't really take small businesses into consideration. When we launched new snacks, we had no idea how much are we going to be selling from them. So when a supplier comes in and tells me your minimum order quantity is 5,000 labels, that doesn't make sense for me because it will be waste of money and also waste of material because I might not end up selling the whole quantity. So that was really one of the struggles, the minimum order quantities. Also comes the lead time and how many days it takes them to deliver. Epson ColorWorks came to the rescue for us. As a small business, it's the perfect solution. It helped us really create labels in such a short time with the quantities we need. It eliminated the waste of money, the waste of time. Here at Koala Picks, sustainability is one of our core values. We were so happy to see that Epson ColorWorks is also helping us reduce our power usage, our paper wastage, and our carbon footprint by eliminating the travel of the labels from suppliers to our own warehouse.